Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to see and delete videos you have watched in Facebook. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your Facebook. Then press on top right side 3 horizontal lines. Here little bit scroll down. Then press on setting and privacy. Press on settings. Then select here activity log. You can see here activity log. Press on this. Here also little bit scroll down. You can see here view connection. In this you can see here videos you have watched. Open this option. Now you can see here your all watch video showing. If you want delete, then press on 3 dot. Then press on delete. That's it guys. So in this way you see and delete your watched video in Facebook. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.